Hello. Currently, 25% of all types of animals and plants is under the threat of disappearance. Extinction threatens more than 40% of amphibian species, more than 30% of marine mammals and fish species. All this is caused by the destructive activity of man. Animals are dying out due to habitat destruction, deforestation and jungle, pollution of the seas and oceans, and because of human poaching. If this continues, then by 2900, 558 animal species may become extinct. What nature has been creating for millions and millions of years as a result of destructive human activity can be destroyed in a few decades. I also want to talk about those animals that are grown for sewing luxurious fur products. To sew one fur coat, it is necessary to kill 45 minks, 50 sables, 15 foxes, 50 martens, 20 beavers, 45 rabbits, 250 squirrels, 125 ermines, 50 chinchillas, 30 raccoons. Would you like to continue this list? Does the fashionista who wears these fur coats know how many unfortunate animals had to be killed to sew this fur coat? Some animals were skinned alive, and some were electrocuted to avoid damaging the fur. Animals spend their entire short life in narrow, smelly cages. Lynxes and wolves in the forest, falling into a trap, suffer for several days until the hunter comes and kills them. I would like to talk about circuses with animals. In circuses, wild animals are forced to do things that they would not to do in the wild. Animals in circuses are beaten with a stun gun. Elephants are beaten with a sharp iron stick until they bleed. During transportation, circus bears are put in a small, narrow cage in which they cannot even move. And so he spends several weeks. After that, you are interested in going to the circus with the beast. Really. In all world religions, to mock animals is considered a terrible, mortal sin. However, people still continue to do it. I would like to talk about dogs. In some Southeast Asian countries, dogs are still eaten today. Before eating a dog, the live dog is burned with a blowtorch, thus exposing the dog to incredible torment. A dog cannot resist a person because he considers a person to be his friend. The entire civilized world should speak up for a ban on eating dogs. A dog is man's friend, but not man's food. We need to stop this barbarity. Let every person who, after a delicious dinner, goes to sleep in a warm bed, think about how homeless cats and dogs that live on his street suffer. Passers-by beat them. They die under the wheels of cars. Take care of stray cats and dogs that live near you. Cats and dogs are not to blame for their homelessness, and this is the fault of their human owners, who are fed up with cats and dogs at home, and they throw their pets out into the street, not thinking about their future fate. Let's protect wildlife together to prevent abuse of animals, each in his own country. Animals are our little brothers. Thank you for your attention. So long. Bye bye.